As a fleet owner, do you have awareness to when your vehicles need replacing or when the 10-year rebuilds are due? This truck was built in 2008 and it's been through a rebuild already and another one is due, which means right now it's out of date and it's not in good shape. And if this was your truck without a plan, you'd have a problem on your hands. But this one is 6 years old, therefore it's got 4 years to go before it needs a major rebuild. That means it's time to plan, time to budget, and avoid the nasty surprises that can throw you off track. That planning, that peace of mind, that's what we can provide you. Waimea Group offers you a completely free of charge fleet review service. That means we assess your fleet, gather the data, and put it all together in a comprehensive plan for you. Right now, budget and planning for FY27 CapEx is on the to-do list, so board approval can be signed off. That's why now is the time to contact us and get this replacement strategy in place. When the time comes that your truck is out of date, you'll be ready to replace or rebuild it. It's as easy as that. And it's really easy. Just contact us today. We'll take care of the planning, so when it's time to rebuild, you're ready.